Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 445th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some old-fashioned Southern hoe cakes. And hoe cakes are cornbread shaped like pancakes, and they're fried to golden perfection. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make, and taste just like my grandmother used to make. And these would be great to serve for Soul Food Sunday or any time of the week. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cornbread recipes playlist and my previous video, French hot chocolate. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your cornmeal, your oil, and your frying pan sugar, because we're about to fry some hoe cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup each of self-rising flour and self-rising yellow cornmeal mix, 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, a half a teaspoon of pure butter extract, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, a half a tablespoon of honey, a third of a cup of water with a fourth of a cup of canola oil, and I mix them all together. And 3/4 of a cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And we're going to whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. And it's all in a dump in the bowl. You can smell the butter extract. Smells good. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our hoe cake batter is complete. Now we're ready to fry them. Over here in my cast iron skillet, I have a fourth of a cup of canola oil, or you can cook them in a frying pan, and it's nice and hot. So we're going to use my fourth of a cup measurement, and we're going to take a little of the batter and gently scoop it into the pan. Yeah, love that sizzle. Music to my ears. So now we're going to let the hoe cakes fry until they're golden brown. Alrighty, time to flip the hoe cakes. Let's take a look. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to let the hoe cake finish frying on the other side. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of them. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my hoe cakes. And it smells amazing. Smells like my grandmother's kitchen. So now I put them on the pan with paper towel to drain. And as soon as they get through draining, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned hoe cakes. Don't they look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and there's a couple more things we got to add to it. A drizzle of honey. Or you can use maple syrup or molasses. And you can't have hoe cakes without butter. Oh yes. My mouth's watering. And just spread that butter all over that cornbread. Yes. Lord have mercy. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Soft and tender, buttery. I love me some cornbread. My grandmother would be so proud of me. These hoe cakes are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm in cornbread heaven. Yum-o. Hoe cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all of y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and stay safe.